Researchers have identified the several monkey brain regions and networks involved in anxiety activity. Based on past discovery, scientists from the University of Wisconsin School of Medicine and Public Health in Madison examined nervousness in about 400 rhesus monkeys with MRI scanning technique. The research under Dr. Nick Callan concentrated on behavioral inhibition and on anxious nature that show up at a youthful age. These qualities are of intrigue since they emphatically predict the advancement of attention issues sometime in life on the go. Amygdala CE and striatum terminalis VSD. Understanding these qualities could offer knowledge into how and why attention issues create. As Drive Callan and his group pinpointed, cerebral networks (MRI-based investigations that have an impact in creating excessively tension behavior. The amygdala, which is a piece of the cerebellum's system surrounded by a variety of cords, all of which interface with the amygdala. Two of the essential divisions of the expanded amygdala are the center nucleus of the amygdala CE and the bed nucleus of the striatum terminalis VSD. In these firmly interconnected locales has been related with variety of tension nature. The amount of activity in the CE and VSD predicts how anxious the specific individual will be. To examine further, the specialists initially surveyed every youthful primate's normal tension level. They did this by presenting them to a human violator and taking note of their conduct. More anxious people moved around less and made less vocalizations. The researchers additionally estimated cortisol levels as a measure of stress. Anxiety inherited through genetics. Obviously, monkeys with more elevated amounts of stress found to have increased activity in the CE and VSD. The animals utilized as a part of the investigation originated from a similar family and worked along these lines, all identified with various degrees. Since their breed had been recorded, the specialists knew who was identified with whom and how intently. This enabled the group to compute how heritable anxiety is and whether the heritability coordinates with changes in brain activity. They found between the CE and VSD connections are undoubtedly firmly heritable. These outcomes bolster the hypothesis that interchange between the CE and VSD are imperative in quality uneasiness. They additionally include additional confirmation that tension is heritable and point to new roads of research. Although no new treatments for anxiety disorders will come directly from these findings, it is a step forward. Because early life anxiety predicts mental health in later life, understanding how it develops could be an important step toward intervening and preventing it from developing further. As of now, no new medication for tension illness will come straightforwardly from these discoveries. It is a stage forward, since early life anxiety predicts emotional wellness in later life.